friends. Today in Sanskrit we are going to start our new chapter, which is chapter number 8, Kakasya Chaturyam. Chaturyam means cleverness, Chaturai, and Kakasya means of the crow. So what will be the title of the chapter? It is The Crow's Cleverness. एकस्मिन् वने एकः वटवृक्षः अस्ति. वटवृक्ष मीन्स बनियन ट्री. वन मीन्स जंगल, फॉरेस्ट. एकस्मिन् one. So translation will be there is a banyan tree in a forest. Tatra kakah vasati. A crow lives there. Kakah means crow. Vasati lives. Tatra means there. Tatra kakah vasati. A crow lives there. काकस्य पत्नी शावकैः सह तत्रैव वसति. काकस्य पत्नी wife of crow शावकैः सह along with the young ones or chicks. Tatraiva, tatra eva, there also. Vasati means lives. So translation will be the crow's wife or female crow also lives there herself with the young ones. तस्य वृक्षस्य अधः कोटरे एकः सर्पः वसति. सर्प means snake. Kotar means hollow in the tree. Adha means under or below. Vrukshasya adha means below the tree or under the tree. A snake lives in a hollow. एकदा काकः भार्यया सह आहारार्थ गच्छति. एकदा means once. काकः crow. भार्यया सह with wife. भार्या means wife in Sanskrit. सह means with, along with, together. Ahar artha, for the food. Gachati goes. So once crow goes with his wife for food. Tada, at that time, sarpah ekam shavakam khadati. The snake eats one young ones, or the snake eats one chick. यदा काकः आगच्छति पश्यति च. यदा काकः आगच्छति च पश्यति means then the crow comes and sees. What he saw, that एकः शावकः नीडे नास्ति. नीडे means in the nest. नास्ति न अस्ति is not there. So crow comes back and sees that one chick is not in the nest. वृक्षस्य अधः सर्पः दृष्ट्वा काकः वदति. Seeing the snake under the tree. Adha means under. Vrukshasya adha means under the tree. Sarpa, snake, drashtava, seeing or looking. Kaka vadati, crow said. Looking the snake under the tree, the crow says, Aho, eshah dussarpah shavaka khadati. Oh, this cruel snake eats the chick. Dushta means cruel. Kaschita upayam karomi. Karomi, I should do. Kaschita and something. Upay means solution. So I should do something about this snake. Iti vichintya kakah nadi prati gacchati. Thinking thus, the crow goes towards the river. Nadi prati, towards the river. Gacchati goes. Iti means thus. Vichintya means thinking. Thus, after thinking something, crow goes towards the river. Tatra Rajakumari snanam karoti. Now what happens near the river? In the river, one princess was taking her bath. Tasya suvarnaharam nadi tire asti. Her golden necklace is on the river bank or on the bank of the river. चतुरः काकः सुवर्णहारम अपहरति. अपहरण करना यानी उसे रॉब करना, है ना, उसे चुरा लेना. तो चतुर काक क्लेवर क्रो पिक्स अप और रॉब्स द गोल्डन नेकलेस. सुवर्ण हार मीन्स गोल्डन नेकलेस. काकः सुवर्णहारं कोटरस्य अनन्तः क्षिपति. The crow drops the golden necklace inside the hollow where the snake lives under the tree, right? सैनिकः काकस्य पृष्ठे आगच्छति. सैनिक, the soldier of the queen or of the princess, goes behind the crow. कौवे ने नेकलेस चुराया था तो उसे लेने के लिए उसके पीछे पीछे कौन आता है? जो राजकुमारी थी उसका सैनिक आता है. कोटरे सुवर्णहारम सर्प च पश्यति. कोटरे सुवर्णहारम, इन द होलो ही सॉ द नेकलेस एंड द स्नेक. सह चिंतयति, ही थिंक्स. अहो प्रथम सर्प मारयामि अनंतरम हारम नयामि. He thinks, oh, I will kill the snake first. Prathama means first. Sarpa marayami. Marayami means kills. Sarpa means snakes. So what he thinks? I will kill snake first. Anantaram. After that, haram nayami. I will take necklace. सैनिकः सर्पं मारयति हारं नयति. सैनिक kills snake and took the necklace. काकः वदति, अहो सर्पः मृतः. The crow says, wow, the snake is मृतः means dead. अधुना now सुखेन वसामि. I can live happily. वसामि means can live. Sukhena means happily. So crow says, now the snake is dead. Now my family and I can live happily. So to kill the snake, he used his brain, his cleverness, and dropped the necklace of the princess. And the soldier comes along with him near the tree. And to save the necklace, soldier killed the snake also. So crow uses clever mind, cleverness, and solve his problem of the snake. Now glossary words. Adha means below, kotare means in the hollow, ekasmin anyone, shavakaihi young one or chick. Saha means with, tatraiva there only, आहारार्थम for food, पृष्ठे behind, अनंतरम later on, नयामि I am taking, अधुना now, नीडे in the nest, कश्चित् any, विचिन्त्य after thinking, अपहरति is taking away or robbed. विशेष में संधि दी है. तत्रैव means तत्र एव. Then exercise question 1, pronounce the following words clearly. You have to write that words 3 times. Then question number 2, complete the following sentences. Follow the illustration. Sarpah dash vasati kotaram means kotaram means hollow. सर्पः कोटरे वसति, इन टू द होलो और इन होलो। सो कोटरम का अर्थ क्या होता है? कोटर में, कोटर। और कोटर रे मीन्स कोटर के अंदर। तो किसी के अंदर जो चीज़ है वो हमें दिखानी है, इन के साथ हमें चीज़ जगह बतानी है, तो उसके लिए ए का प्रत्यय जुड़ता है। सिंह डैश वसति, वनम मीन्स फॉरेस्ट, तो वन में रहता है, इन टू द फॉरेस्ट ऐसा लिखना है। तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? सिंह वने वसति। ये विभक्ति है जो आप आगे चल के सीखेंगे। अभी आपको सिर्फ याद रखना है, जब आपको इन या इन टू ऐसा लिखना है तो शब्द में ए की मात्रा जुड़ जाएगी। नगरम का होगा नगरे मीन्स इन टू द टाउन। मनुष्य डैश वसति, पीपल लिव्स इन टू द विलेज और इन द विलेज, तो नगरे। खगः बर्ड, नीडः नेस्ट, नीडे। वसति। वानरः वृक्ष मीन्स ट्री, ऑन द ट्री वृक्षे, वानरः वृक्षे वसति। मत्स्य डैश वसति, जलम, जलम मीन्स वाटर एंड जले, मत्स्य जले वसति। फिश लिव्स into the water. Okay, so on, in, into, इसके लिए संस्कृत में ए की मात्रा जोड़कर शब्द का धातु रूप चेंज होता है। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस, फॉलो द इलिस्ट्रेशन। काकः नदीं प्रति गच्छति, टूवर्ड्स द रिवर। सो टूवर्ड्स समथिंग, टूवर्ड्स डैश ऐसा हमें दिखाना है। तो प्रति गच्छति मीन्स टूवर्ड गोज, राइट। तो जो शब्द है उसमें हलंत वाला म जुड़ जाएगा। छात्रः डैश प्रति गच्छति, छात्रः शालां प्रति गच्छति, स्टूडेंट गोज टूवर्ड द स्कूल। कृषिकः डैश प्रति गच्छति, क्षेत्र मीन्स फार्म, क्षेत्रं प्रति गच्छति। व्याघ्रः डैश प्रति गच्छति, वन, व्याघ्र मीन्स टाइगर, टाइगर गोज टूवर्ड द वन, फॉरेस्ट। हंसः डैश प्रति गच्छति, सरोवर, हंसः सरोवरं प्रति गच्छति। Okay, then question number 4 is write the following sentences in legible handwritings. So you have to copy the sentences in good handwriting in your notebook. And then question number 5 is write the words which your teacher dictates you. This we are not going to do. So you have to write question number 1 to 4 in your notebook and a translation of the chapter.